Silvester the Cat finds himself in a quirky adventure as he stumbles into a fortune cookie factory during an excursion. His whiskers twitch with excitement, curiosity piqued by the mysterious machinery. When a rogue cookie catapults at him, he playfully catches it, but reading, "You will find delight in chaos," sparks mischief. In a humorous twist, Sylvester's paw accidentally presses the conveyor button, causing cookies and fortunes to humorously rain around him. Amid the giggles of factory workers and a playful chase with a mischievous squirrel, he navigates the mess, ultimately making friends and leaving with a gleeful spirit, showcasing the joy of embracing life's whimsical tales.